Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Miftahul Haira. I want to tell a poor traveler. A poor traveler stopped under a tree to eat the boiled rice and vegetables which he had brought with him. A few meters away, there was a small shop by the side of the road, where a woman was frying fish and selling it to travelers who were able to afford to pay for it. This woman watched the poor traveler carefully, and when he finished his food and began to go, she shouted readily, You have not paid me for the fried fish, but I have not had any fried fish," he said. But everyone can see that you enjoy the smell of my fried fish with your rice and vegetables, argued the woman. If you had not smelled the fish, your meal would not have been so pleasant. Soon I grow college, and although they support the poor traveler, they had to admit that the wind was blowing from the shop to the place where he had eaten, and that it had carried the smell of the fried fish to him. Finally, the woman looked the poor traveler to a judge who said the woman says that the traveler at his with the smell of her fried fish. The traveler agrees that the wind was blowing from the woman's shop to the place where he are his rice and vegetables, and that it carried the smell of her fried fish to his nose while he was eating, so he must pay for it. What does your fried fish cost? He asked the woman. 25 cans a pellet, she answered, delight. They go outside together, said the judge. The traveler must hard up a 25-cent piece so that its shadow falls, and on the woman's hand the polish of the smell of a pellet of fried fish. Fried fish is the shadow of 25 cents. I think enough for me, and thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.